Hello YouTube, it's been a while, although actually I've been shooting videos but didn't upload anything, so I might just upload a bunch together. Anyway, I'm getting ready for a road trip today in a car that I haven't been in before, my faithful Toyota T100, which is about to clock 300,000, 30,000 miles. And I am driving to LA again. I'm saying again because a few months ago, actually, I drove to LA with two friends, taking the Ferrari, living our little Top Gear adventure. I didn't post that, first because I planned on making a video on that and I barely shot anything. And second, because again, I have a few videos I shot and never worked on and uploaded. So who knows, I might upload everything at once. Anyway, back to the subject of the day. So it's almost 9 a.m. in Colorado Springs. I'm driving straight to LA because I have an appointment tomorrow, Monday. It's been almost spring all week, and today it's another winter storm. But that's okay. That truck can handle it, no problem. So anyway, that's what it is. That's the day I have to leave, so we'll deal with it. But I'm gonna try to document this trip actually this time. I'm gonna try to bother a little bit. Which I really didn't do with a Ferrari. That's kind of a shame. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Also, little note. Because I've been shooting and not processing or saving anything, I don't have my GoPro. So I am shooting from my phone. And I can't connect the microphone when it's charging or when it's on the holder. So that could be bad. But well. It is going to be what it's going to be. Like this, bad video is better than no video. I'm not sure that's true all the time, but whatever. It is what it's going to be. All right, enough talking. Let's go. I didn't even introduce the car. I guess I'll do that later during a pit stop. Okay. Okay. Well, let's get on the road. Great day for a road trip. I saw a 997 on my way to the gas station. I wasn't fast enough to get the camera out, but that was pretty cool. First drink of the day. Didn't lose any time, huh? Yeah, well, I'm gonna need a few today. I have 1100 miles ahead of me, and I left at 9, it's 9:30-ish, and so far I've got gas, coffee, and I'm still in Colorado Springs. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get moving. Yeah, when I said not great weather for a road trip, you know what? Doesn't matter. Road trip is always great, so no complaints. I've been putting the truck sideways already a few times, which is always fun with that thing. And but hopefully on the highway it's going to be a bit, just a bit more straight. Well, I guess we'll see. This is what we got. I mean, the road that's not too bad. It's just it's icy. And the wind is something else. And yes, my brave truck has a completely shattered windshield, but I have a little window right in front of my face. And as I said, 329, 973. I'm gonna get to 330 very soon. All right, enough talking. Let's get driving. They're not good. Not good conditions for a road trip, but it is what it is. And what I'm doing there is very unsafe. Shouldn't do that, but yeah, I'm trying to make the point here that this is not a good day. Well, again, I'll take a road trip any day, but conditions are shit. Snow plows at work, condition not improving. Making very slow progress, but still moving forward.
I'm stuck on repeat. I see the same skies every night.
Well, that's the last portion of the video when I said moving forward. We're technically still moving forward at 5 miles per hour. Been stuck on I-70 for like more than 30 minutes now. No idea what's going on. I suspect it might be the Loveland ski area blocking us, but I don't really know. The view is nice, but I can barely see any of it because my windshield is disgusting. The wipers are kind of frozen, so I can't really wipe anything. I mean, at this rate, I could almost walk out and wipe my windshield and come back in the car, but oh well. My plan is to sleep by the ocean tonight. Last time I checked my TA, I was arriving at 1:30 a.m. What I'm sure it's way past 2 now. But it doesn't matter. That's the plan. That's where it's gonna be. So yeah, that was status update. It's now almost 12:30. And yeah, don't see anything moving much forward, so alright, that was little update. We'll see where I am at the next one. Okay, little update. It is almost 4 p.m. I left Colorado Springs around 9:30, right? It's 4 p.m. and I'm just about to exit Colorado. Okay, I lost about an hour on that traffic jam, but still. I've been doing road trips in the US for over 25 years. First one was my dad in 1998, I think. Yeah. And after all this time, it's just amazing how vast this country is. I would have crossed France no problem in all this time with the speed limits and everything. But here, still in the same state. 9:30 to 7 hours later. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna make it very late, but anyway. The truck is doing great, it's cruising at 75, 80. Gas mileage a bit better on the highway, no surprise there. I'm doing my first fill up now after 326 miles, and I'm not on reserve yet, but might as well. Okay, that is the update. So the next one will be out of Colorado. I think I have like maybe 20 minutes left in Colorado, and then on to Utah. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm trying plugging in the microphone I use for my GoPro. I don't know if it's going to make a difference. Anyway, there was a convoy of old Toyota pickup trucks going the other way. The first one splashed its lights at me. I didn't realize right away why. That was pretty cool. That is the one thing wrong with the truck. There's air going through the door. Kind of annoying. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, there was like 8 or 9 pickup trucks. I wish I had a video of that. That was pretty cool. Oh well. Okay, where am I? Oh, my phone doesn't want to keep the sunset in the background. Who's the boss here? Okay, I'm not even in St. George yet, Utah, which is usually my stop for gas. Well, I didn't even make it there. I don't have the map, so I don't know how many hours I have left, but I'm gonna assume arrival where I want to be around 2 a.m. maybe. I still have to stop for gas one more time. Other than that, I mean, the truck runs great. So everything good. So guess what? Let's keep going. All right. Well, I made it. I arrived around 2 a.m. like I said, 2:30 maybe. And well, sadly you can't hear much of the ocean surf with all the cars passing by, but what matters is that made it, parked next to the Pacific Ocean, and in a few hours I'll be heading back, but the car's been doing great. And well, I guess great success. Okay, I get ready to get on the road again. No ocean view this morning. Come on, California. What? Oh well, it is what it is. Makes it easier to leave, I guess. Morning traffic, way more car. Yeah, I'm sorry, my windshield is dirty. Anyway, sure feels like LA. Oh, Nakatomi Plaza lurking ahead. Oh yeah. Making my turn soon, so we're gonna lose that, but hey, cool to see. I used to live next to that. Doesn't he belong here with his snow crap and everything, with palm trees and little LA street, huh? Well, I'm done with what I had to do in town, so I guess what I mean is I'm ready for the 16-17 hours drive back. Okay, big boy, ready? Let's get into traffic and let's go. Colorado, here we come back. Sticker approved. And that's an old Toyota, just like what I'm driving right now, so that's pretty good. And just like that, we're back in Colorado Springs. Well, this is a day, I got back this morning at 5:30-ish. Drove through the night yesterday, somehow managed. Slept a little bit, and today, well, at the end of the day now, I had to work through the day, and now the day is finishing. Can finally wrap up this video, which I do a lot too, and just think I'm gonna wrap up videos when I get back, and I never do. Well, I am doing it this time. So truck is back at the shop. It did amazing, honestly. First, might be I don't know if it was an Italian tune-up on the being in the highway or whatever, but it runs smooth. It faster than I expected. Cruise control was very helpful. No, I have no complaints. I'm really proud of this truck. And as luck would have it, actually, right now in the garage, there is another 3 of my cars. 2 are I've been there for a while, and 1 that I just bought today. I'm not buying it to keep it, although I would love to. But let's see. So the 430 is right here, the Maxima, the new alternator over there, and that Tundra over there in the corner. I just bought that today. We're gonna replace the engine on that. I don't want to take a video of I don't want to put my techs on the spot doing that, so we're not gonna have a video of the engine replacement, but maybe I make a video of that at some point. Why not? Those are great trucks. So there we are, back home, and I hope I'm gonna upload this video, unlike all the others that I've saved up in. I mean, I don't know if they're gonna pop up later or something, but there was a video of taking the Ferrari at Pikes Peak International Raceway. There's a few shots of the road trip with the Ferrari to California in October. There was actually a video explaining the shop that I took over about 2 years ago. All this stuff that I never posted, never processed, is just life. Since I took over this shop, yeah, I've been pretty busy with other stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna stop here, closing on this video, and we'll see what comes out, in what order. Surprise! We will see. And for now, I'm out. I'll see you. I'm not gonna say on the next one as usual. I'll say see you eventually. Let's go with that. All right. See you eventually.